Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video we'll be unboxing one of our stainless steel lever on rose handles. All of the handles in the range are boxed with the product information printed on the side plus a line drawing, so they're easily identifiable whether they are stacked on a shelf or in the back of a van. All of the components inside the box are bagged to avoid damage in transit and any unnecessary scratches. You'll receive a fixing kit which has your timber fixing screws, also bolt through fixings, spindle, and you will receive an Allen key if you need to remove the lever. You'll also receive the clip-on roses and then your handle set. The stainless steel lever rose handles are available in 5 variants. You've got your T-bar variant here, the arched version, the mitered version, the standard straight version, and then they're also available in the return to door or safety version. All of the handles have a 19mm lever diameter. They're sprung, concealed fix. They're BSEN 16345 fire rated, so they're suitable for 30 and 60-minute fire doors. And that is all. Thank you for watching.